Everyone's going to talk, they're going to give you a little bit about their story, and they're going to tell you one or two things that they feel like is a priority for your success. All right? Lasaldo's very successful, but he'll be able to talk to you about his journey and some key takeaways that you guys can apply in your own steps. So you can hear yourself in different parts of everybody's journey and be able to apply it. Fair enough?
When the game on the line, you can't fold and you can't bend.
We're here in New York for another Forex workshop. We're doing a tour across the country, and New York is the next location. Look forward to seeing you guys there if you registered. If not, play yourself.
Crazy how I came out so clean from the dirt. We was using candles on the nights the lights ain't work. We ain't never going back to that and that I merged. Turn your back on me, the worst mistake you ever make. Keep my grass cut, gotta watch out for the snakes. If it's on my plate, best believe it's getting ate. I'm ballin' like I'm Kobe 33 before the 8. I just want the rings and the medals and the trophies.
So if you treat trading like a job, like I treated it, I said, listen, if I could do 50 pips a day and make my money, that's it, I'm gone. I'll see you tomorrow. That's how you should treat trading. Because I'm gonna be honest with you, not everybody's gonna be a Q Banks. Because you're trying to get to their numbers instead of getting to your own numbers. That's why I'm successful in trading. I don't make $30,000, $40,000 a month trading. I might make 15, 10. But if I put that with the other stuff I got going on, that just adds to my streams of income.
When I did that 300K, that shit was not easy. I held that trade literally for like a month. Can you imagine holding a trade for a month? I had to go through all the ups and downs. Do you know who can tell me what they think guided me throughout that whole process? Go ahead. Market structure, yes. Market structure is the main bread and butter to my strategy, right? Without market structure, you have no guidance. Market structure is like my Dora the Explorer. You know when Dora the Explorer comes on, what she does? She has the motherfucking map. She knows where she's starting and where she's going each and every time. And who's with her? Boots. You know what I'm saying? She understands her point of origin and where she needs to end up at. And that's why throughout my strategy, I always start from the higher time frame. The easiest thing with time frame correlation, what's gonna make you get it better, is back testing. So for example, if I was supposed to look at GJ, because I have it memorized in my brain, stamped, if I look at GJ, I would see probably like a big push, right? When I go to the weekly, I would see the details of that big push. If I go to the daily, I would see what made that big push. You see how I have my sense of focus and where I'm going, right? That process right there is what made me into the trader who I am today. Understanding the higher time frames and understanding what they mean and understanding where I am in the lower time frames. Does that make sense, everybody?
The same voice that's in your head screaming at you when you're on the beach running and telling you to stop is the same voice that's telling you when you're in drawdown or making those emotional decisions. Like, you have to have that inner voice to tell you, like, no, like, I know what I need to do, and my decision making is only based on, like Drew said even before, like structure, like things that you can quantify on the chart. Not like, oh, I'll close it when I make $10,000, or oh shit, I'm down 20 grand, or like, you know, I can't lose this money. Like, the market doesn't care about those things.
There's no secret to trading. If there is a secret, it's having a structured, organized, disciplined approach. Before and after screenshots let me improve on a technical aspect. The journal helped me catch every lesson that I was making, and I would build a plan to improve every week. So every trade, every day I was improving.
There are so many different strategies that all work. And the coolest thing is if you overlay everyone's strategy, we're all pretty much getting in the same spots. We're just using different tools, you know, different indicators, different strategies, whatever it may be. We're all essentially kind of taking the same trades here, regardless of whatever strategy it is. So regardless of the strategy you use, there is a high probability that, you know, with structure and discipline, that you're going to be profitable.
So I'm gonna give $100 to David because he understood, wow, I've been hearing that and I've been seeing that and I've been writing that since the day I was conceived. So much so that in a room full of people, when he says, is there anyone, with a person that has the name that starts with a D, he says, I'm David, that's my name. So when I say in here, who is a seven-figure or who is a millionaire, I am, right? I am. How do you get that confidence? Over and over and over. So give a round of applause to David. Find me after. I got 100 for you, bro. I got 100 for you, bro. when you know your goals, when you know your vision, like you know your name, you have that type of conviction, that type of authority over where it is that you believe you're going.
When the game on the line, you can't fold and you can't bend. Y'all be playing it safe and I be going for the win. Remember back when they was doubting on the kid. Now they tuned in cause my game too legit. Stayed down, remain humble and I made it work. Crazy how I came out so clean from the dirt. We was using candles on the nights the lights ain't work. We ain't never going back to that and that I merged.
Ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you guys grab your tickets to the FX Summit 2023 conference, June 9th to the 11th, Miami Beach, Florida. I look forward to seeing you guys there.